Hello friends, now let us take up the concept number 6, 1A.6, a line wise explanation of the program. Now, as I told you, this is a small program, but the structure, the basic structure of a small program as well as big program are one and same. Now, I give the line wise explanation. Whatever explanation I am going to give in this concept is equally applicable to all other C programs, whether regardless of its size, it may be big or small. So, thoroughly understand, you understand basics only once. That's why you should have little patience and you must understand each and every element in my explanation properly and thoroughly, and you should own it. The same explanation is useful for all other future programs. The first one, we have started the program with a comment. First one, I will explain what is a comment and why comments are required. Actually, a comment should be written within the delimiters. Already I told you, computer is like a brainless machine. Because of that, we have to explain every concept like how we explain it to a blind man. So, now already one example I gave you. As far as string is concerned, this is the string. String means a set of characters. How we write delimiters? For that, the corresponding delimiters are double quotes, starting with one double quote, opening a double quote, and closing double quote. Within double quotes, if you write, that is understood as string by a computer. Now we are talking about comments. Comments delimiters are a slash and star, star and slash. Whatever content you write, you may write uppercase, lowercase, or anything, numbers, symbols, spaces, anything in between, that is known as comment. First, every program, as a matter of convention, we start with a comment. Comment is like a heading of this chapter. Now we see, for the chapter, one heading I have given, why C chapter zone, and hello C. This heading, why we are writing heading, I need not explain. Simply seeing the heading, one can understand what are the type of contents in the chapter. In the same manner, if you write, normally we write what is the task of the program as a comment. Task of the program. So you need not go through all the program. Simply seeing the first line, the comment of the program, you can understand what is the task of the program. In commercial applications, means commercial programs, lot of other details also are given. What is the task of the program, who is the author, when it was developed, what is the version number, what are the copyrights, etc., and all that. Many commercial details are there in comments. But our simple applications and all that, these are student level applications. Normally we write what is the task of the program as a comment. As I told you, comment is a matter of convention, not a rule. In this context, you must know the difference between rule and convention. Rule, you must obey that whether you like it or not. Convention it is not a rule, but everybody gives respect to that. That is convention. With an example, I can explain this. On a road, some road is declared as one-way traffic. One-way traffic. That is, if you go against, so you should not go against, that is a rule. If you go against the road in one-way traffic, you are penalized. That is why you are penalized. You are violating a rule, you are penalized. Okay. and convention. Being a good citizen, disciplined citizen, you have to use footpath. You should not walk across the road. You have to use footpath. But it is a convention. If you don't follow that convention also, nobody, no authority can penalize you. Understand? If you go against one-way traffic, you are violating rule. That's why you are penalized. And if you are violating a convention, nobody can penalize you. That is the difference. So our life is controlled by many conventions. There may be some logic behind it or not, but we strictly follow that. Simple example I tell you. Normally everybody first take tiffin, thereafter they take either tea or coffee or some other drink. First tiffin, thereafter drink. Understand? Why you don't take a drink first, thereafter take tiffin? I don't know. It is a convention. Suppose first you take a drink in a hotel, thereafter if you take tiffin and all that, you attract people. They look at you as a odd man out. Understand? That means conventions are such a powerful one. Many things, many activities we perform subject to the corresponding conventions. The same principle is applicable in programming also. In programming, certain conventions are there, certain rules are there. Rules we must follow strictly. Suppose at the end of every statement or instruction, there is a semicolon. It is like a full stop for the sentence in a human language. So that is a rule you must follow. Suppose this is a string. String is delimited by two double quotes. That is a syntax rule. Rule you must follow. If you don't follow, then it is declared as an error. But here what I told you, this is convention. Why? What is the purpose of this convention? And the purpose of the convention is it improves the readability. Why I have given chapter heading? It improves the readability. Now you are able to understand what is readability. Simply seeing that, a 10 page unit. So simply seeing that, what are the contents in that, you are able to understand. In the same manner, without reading all the program, simply seeing the comment, you are able to understand what is the task of this program. So that is the that is the purpose of conventions. Behind most conventions or all conventions in programming, there is a logic behind it. There is a clear good purpose behind it. In the same manner, in real life also, behind most conventions, a good reason. So if you want to make a probe, what is the reason behind it, you do that. Otherwise, most people, without thinking of underlying reason, they follow that. So that is the basic difference between the convention and rule. Okay, as a matter of conventions, we write a comment at the top of the program, and then it should be delimited by this. Within the comment, you can write any type of characters, any uppercase, lowercase, numbers, digits, symbols, blank spaces, anything you write. But whatever you want to explain, that you can write within the comments. This is not for the compiler. Your little later I explain what is compiler. That does not require it. If you remove this comment also, the program gives the same result. For example, this is the first page. I am introducing what are the contents in that and all that. If I remove this page also, the content is same. Whatever benefit you want to get out of reading, you 100% get. But prima facie, something is missing. Simply seeing the first page, you cannot know what are the contents in that unless you go through that. So because of introduction of this page or a heading, your readability, the readability characteristic of the lesson or unit is improved. So for this purpose only we write comment. You understand? So next, Here I have written a single comment. It may be written for multiple lines also. Actually, now I have written a single line comment. Sometimes with the single line I may not explain. Then you have to write multiple lines. Then also you may write like this. For every line you need not put the delimiter, closing delimiter, uh, and one is enough. The best practice is you write like this: one line, two line, three lines, four lines. You write like this, not here, here. After the fourth line, you write. Then easily it is identifiable. This is a good practice. Most sophisticated programmers, they write comments like this. However, you write like this. Okay, so it can be used for single line or multiple lines with single set of delimiters. These are popularly known as C style comment. C style comment. Actually, this is for C++, another style of comment is there. That's why it is known as C style comment. Single line C style comments are written like this. So, one set of delimiters, one line of text we write. It can be used for multiple lines C style comment this way. One set of symbols, delimiters, within that multiple lines. N number of lines you write depending on your requirement. I told you, it is a sophisticated way of writing, or otherwise if you want to write it here, you write, nothing wrong in that. One thing, for the sake of comment, no code is created, no execution code is created. It is at the time of compilation only, it is totally ignored. It is ignored because this is meant for the reader who reads. For a human being, this is created, not for the system. Remaining 5 lines of code is meant for system. Some executable code is created for that. So that point you must remember. And one more thing, at the top of this thing I have written. But what about other lines and all that? If it is required, you can write comments for other lines also, against other lines. If you take this text, not only heading, I write side headings also. Here see, linking, some side heading I have written. What is the purpose of side heading? You know that. That also in the particular paras, what is the content and all that, it explains. So this is like a heading. If you want to tell something here, you can write. It is like a side heading. So here you write what it is doing. Okay. Now one more doubt you get in this context, where we have to write comments. So here top I told you, as a matter of convention you have to write, and where throughout the program, where you can write against a particular line, a particular segment of code. Actually, where your explanation is required, where some difficulty is there, a reader may not understand it by simple reading. Where your comment is required, there you have to write a comment. For this purpose, one good example I gave you. This is a highway. Actually, if you take this highway, you can find it is like that. Then you see, here is a bridge, here is a curve, here is a curve, here is a some narrow road. So like that, highways are like this. Then if you think of one element, authority, you can find some alert boards here and there. So where authorities put the board, that point you analyze. Just think and tell me where authorities put board, where they have to draw the attention of the drivers, where they have to draw the attention of the drivers. In all such places they put alert boards. Here a steep curve ahead, they put a board, and here very narrow road, It is accident zone. They put a board. Here another steep curve is there. Some hilly area is there, and here is a bridge. So where drivers are to be alerted, in all such places they put the boards. They put the boards in order to draw the attention of drivers on the road and make them alert. So in the same manner, the same logic is applicable to comments. Actually there is 100 lines code, 100 lines program. Most lines you are able to read and understand. Don't put any comment. Somewhere the program flow is like this. Somewhere some twist is there. Here you put comment. You put a comment. Why twist is there in the logic? Because prima facie you cannot understand. Here some complexity is there. Without explaining the complexity, an ordinary reader may not understand. Then you put a comment. These are like side headings. Could you understand? If simply readable code and all that, don't put any comment. Unnecessarily disturbs the reader. Where some twist in the logic, then you put a comment. Where complexity in the code, you write a comment. So whatever principle you are following here, the same way that principle you have to follow. And the basic purpose of inserting comments, top comment or through the program comments, improving the readability of the human reader. If you remove all the comments, suppose in a project, if you find 100 comments, remove all 100 comments from the program gives the same result, because comments are not meant for the compiler or program. Those are meant for the human reader to make them to understand the code. So in this context, one very important point, 2 points I have to tell you. 3 C's of comment. Actually, instead of 3 C's, 3 R's of comment. 3 R's of comment. That is the right comment, right form, and right place. That always you remember. Right comment. Actually, right comment means where your comment is required, there you make comment. In real life also, where you have to open up your mouth, then you open up. Don't make unnecessary comments. If you make unnecessary comments, what is your value in your people? You know that. Right comment. Right form. Comment should not be too lengthy and all that. You don't much bother about grammar. A precise statement you write. Right comment, right form, right place. Actually, here this is the right place. Suppose you want to comment on this. This is the right place. Or just one line above is the right place. After the line is not the right place. The same example you see. Suppose here steep curve is there. Some hilly upwards is there. Then you have to put it at least 10 meters before. Or 20 meters before, not 1 kilometer before. That's why actually where you put, what is the logic behind it in case of highway? Where it is required to draw the attention of the reader, to draw the attention of the driver to change his behavior, to be made alert, then such place you place the board. In the same way, a comment should be placed in a appropriate position. Understand? So for this, here is the appropriate position, one line above also appropriate position. After this is not the appropriate position. That point you understand. Okay. Thereafter, finally, one more point I have to tell you about comments. Code tells what it is doing. Suppose if you know C language, what is the purpose of this line? You know. What is the purpose of this line? You know. What is the purpose of this line? You know. Okay. Code tells, this is code, tells what it is doing. Comment tells how it is doing, why it is doing. Sometimes you have to tell how it is doing. It is complex, like here. How it is doing, others easily cannot understand. Then how it is doing, you have to tell. That comment is required. Then there is a twist in this. Why the twist is created, you have to tell. So these are the basic important points about the comments. Comments improve the readability of the program for the human reader, not for the compiler. Okay, always you remember, it is a matter of convention, it is not a rule.